Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on POCO M7 Pro. So first, try and test the microphone. Make sure that it's not a specific app issue. Try recording a voice note or using the Google search through the, let's say, Google Assistant. I'll show you guys. Just like that. Here you will be able to use and test your microphone. So, if it works in one app but not another, it could be an app specific issue. And if it's not working overall, then it's the phone issue. I'll show you guys how to fix that. First, starting off with the restarting our phone. So it can basically clear temporary glitches that might be affecting the microphone. And to reboot it, basically hold the power button and the volume up button. Now slide your finger down until you see reboot. And now wait for your phone to turn back on. Now after restarting your phone, even though mine isn't restarted yet, I'll tell you to check for blockages. So try and inspect the microphone. It's usually located near the bottom or the back of the phone for any dust, debris or obstructions. Try cleaning the area gently using a soft brush or compressed air. I personally use the second one if I have any issues, and it should be pretty okay. Now once our phone is back, I'll show you guys what to do next. So now go over to the settings and check app permissions. So make sure that the apps you're using have permission to access the microphone. So go over the settings, now scroll a bit down until you see apps. Here click manage apps, and here search for an app that you want to check. So for me it will be phone. Now check the app permissions here, and as you guys can see, the microphone is allowed. But if it isn't, then simply from do not allow, let me show you, now it's not allowed, so simply click allow only while using the app. Now what you guys can do is update your software, because there may be a bug fix in a new update that can address microphone issues. So go over to settings, here click about phone, now click on the HyperOS and check if you have any updates available. For me there's no update available, but if for you there is an update, then I recommend you do that, because older versions may have some glitches and they might be fixed in a new update. So now if your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device like headphones or a speaker, the microphone might be routed to that device and not your phone. So turn off Bluetooth and make sure that you're using the phone's built-in microphone. As you guys can see, now the Bluetooth is on and now it's disabled. So make sure that this icon in the control center is gray. Now what you guys can do is perform a factory reset as a last resort. If the problem is still here, you can try a factory reset, but first back up your data before doing so. So go over settings, here click about phone, scroll down until you see backup and restore. Here I recommend you doing the local backup, which is the mobile device or a computer or a Google backup, but you need an account for that. So after backing up your important files, simply go to factory reset, click erase all data, enter your password if you have one, and then simply click factory reset. So if none of that worked, even the factory reset, then it could be a hardware issue with the microphone. In this case, it's best to visit a POCO service center for further professional diagnostics or maybe a repair. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.